In this video, we're counting down the top 5 products in this category, ranked from number 5 all the way to number 1. Each item is reviewed for performance, usability, and overall value, with the top-ranked choice revealed at the end. You can find links to all the featured products in the description below for easy reference. Ranked 5th as a budget-friendly multifunction pick, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer is aimed at families who want versatile cooking in a single countertop appliance. Its main benefit is flexibility, combining air frying, baking, roasting, and dehydrating to reduce the need for multiple devices. The spacious interior supports family-size meals and meal prep without constant batch cooking. A large viewing window makes it easy to monitor progress without opening the door, helping maintain consistent results. One meaningful technical feature is the rapid air convection system, which circulates heat evenly to cook food faster and more efficiently than traditional ovens. This makes it a practical option for everyday meals with minimal setup. Ranked 4th as a compact pick, the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer is designed for individuals or couples who want quick, efficient meals without sacrificing counter space. Its primary strength is speed, allowing food to cook significantly faster than a traditional oven while maintaining consistent results. The space-saving design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or apartments, helping reduce clutter. Cleanup is simple, which adds to its everyday convenience. One meaningful technical feature is the built-in shake reminder, which alerts users midway through cooking to ensure even crisping. This small but practical addition improves cooking consistency and makes the appliance easier to use for simple, repeatable meals. Ranked 3rd as a balanced mid-range pick, the Chefman 4-quart air fryer is designed for small households that want faster cooking with reliable results. Its compact size fits easily on most countertops while still offering enough capacity for everyday meals. Consistent crisping is a key benefit, helping foods come out evenly cooked without excess oil. Simple touchscreen controls make it easy to switch between common cooking tasks without overcomplicating the process. One meaningful technical feature is the high-fry technology, which boosts heat at the end of the cycle to improve texture and browning. This added control helps deliver better finishing results, making it a practical choice for quick, repeatable meals. Ranked 2nd as a premium performance pick, the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer is designed for users who want consistent results with minimal effort. Its large basket supports family-sized meals while maintaining even cooking across different food types. Quiet operation and intuitive controls make it comfortable for everyday use, especially in busy kitchens. Cleanup is straightforward, helping reduce post-cooking time. One meaningful technical feature is the TurboBlaze airflow system, which precisely controls heat circulation to deliver evenly cooked textures without constant adjustments. This controlled heating approach improves reliability across multiple cooking modes, making the appliance a strong choice for those who value consistency, capacity, and refined performance in a modern air fryer. Ranked 1st as the best overall pick, the Ninja 4-in-1 Air Fryer is built for users who want reliable performance with everyday versatility. Its generous capacity handles family-sized portions while maintaining fast, even cooking results. Simple controls and a compact footprint make it easy to use without dominating counter space. The appliance consistently delivers crisp textures from fresh or frozen foods, supporting quick meal preparation. One meaningful technical feature is Ninja's Air Crisp technology, which circulates superheated air evenly around food to achieve consistent browning with minimal oil. This balance of capacity, efficiency, and dependable results makes it a strong all-around option for daily cooking needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.